going to discuss about studying abroad, the right path. Um, so the objective of this video is to help you finding out right place and path for the studies in Western countries and what is the procedure. Present situation I would like to divide into few sections. The first and foremost important thing is what are the different methods to apply to universities in Europe and North America. The second one is the time frame from application to getting admitted. The third but not the least is the selection of top universities or the universities which are delivering the courses of your interest either in Europe or North America. Let's go to the first one. What are the different methods to apply to universities? This Remember, this is super easy. The gold standard is to download the application directly from the university website and follow the procedure as stated. Don't worry, we can help you if you find difficulty in filling the forms. The second thing is the time frame of your application. Remember, this coming abroad, going to Western countries to study is a lot of process by itself. So you have to give some time. Uh, if you are coming to North America, you need to write TOEFL, you need to prepare for GRE. Give us 6 months time to prepare for that, right? Mentally prepare yourself for that. If you're coming to Europe, you don't need GRE per se, but you need either IELTS or TOEFL exam for your English proficiency. So I would say give a 1 year time frame so that you can, uh, you know, prepare with your application, get ready with everything done with the GRE, TOEFL, and going guns with your application, and you have all chances to get into the universities for where you apply. And the third important thing is selection of the universities. So before you actually begin, once you finish your GRE and TOEFL, once you set the once you set the tone on that, uh, the next important thing is to select top universities in Europe or in North America. Google is there, you can search on that for the top universities. I can, I can list some top universities like Harvard, Stanford, University of California, MIT, you know, Caltech. These are all top universities and they have all MS PhD programs. If you're interested in a MS PhD program, that's great. Apply to these universities, also, there are other universities like Arizona State University, Florida University, Columbia University, Boston University, Indiana University. These are also good universities, but you can still get through them even though if you don't have super scores in your GRE TOEFL or in your previous year's coursework. Remember this: just like how you are very anxious getting your admission to get your admission, the university is also equally anxious about getting the student to accept their admission. So don't fear, drive, go with confidence, prepare your application, prepare for your GRE TOEFL, and get ready for the uh, applicant and get ready for the admission process. And another important thing I want to point here today is we are all the Asians normally we focus on North American universities where you have to pay a lot of money, or say Australia, you have to pay a lot of money, to get your education. Um, you have to work part time to fill your pockets. There is another place, Europe, which is a place where you can get high quality education for free. Countries like Germany, Finland offer free master's courses. I would definitely recommend you to, have a thought about that. Go, go to something like Technical University of Munich, University of Copenhagen in Denmark, Swiss Institute of Bioinformatics, University of Bologna in Italy. So all these are great universities. There are universities in UK, but then You have to pay a lot of money, like Cambridge, Oxford, Imperial College of London, but then you have to pay lots of money. So if your goal is to study, just focus on study. There are two things you can do. One, mm, get your GRE TOEFL right, good marks, get your you know good recommendation letters, and hopefully you will get an assistantship that will drive your coursework happily. Otherwise, try to choose Europe, which is free of cost.